Say hello to Saoirse. This is your sister. You're her big brother. You must always look after her. Come up here to me.
Dad! Dad?
I don't know how you can live in this awful place. Now, everybody ready for Saoirse to blow out the candles. One big happy family.
Anne!
This is no place for children, Connor. This is no place for a family. Get in the car and stop all this carry-on.
Yeah. Don't make me go! Whoa!
Without her coat, the Silke has no voice. And without her song, she'll not last the night. And we'll all share in her fate. Does the Silke have her coat with her?
No, it's at home. My dad took it.
You must get the coat back to her. Do you hear me?
Those stories that Mum told me, they're all true. Are you really a Selkie?